Good morning, Miss Siragusa.
How are you doing today?
Good.
Alright, so today's lesson is going to be on math, and we're going to learn our triangles some more. But first, we're going to have 3 rules for today, okay? So rule number 1, everybody show me number 1. Rule number 1 is all eyes on me. So if I run over here, where are you looking? If I hop up here, where are you going to look? Good. Okay. Now, rule number 2. Everybody show me a number 2. Rule number 2 is about respect. I want us to sit respectfully and speak respectfully. So everyone sit back, shoulders back, chin up, looking at me. And we're going to answer all questions with yes, ma'am. We are going to be respectful students, okay? And then rule number 3. Show me a number 3. I want us to be confident in what we're learning and confident in our responses. So if I call on you, I want you to stand up, nice, tall, and proud, answer a complete sentence, then you can sit back down. Does that sound good, Allie?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so now we're going to do something crazy today, and we're going to write on our desks. So everybody grab the marker that's in front of you, and we're going to review. Yesterday we talked about classifying triangles by angles. So I wrote the 3 words up, and I want us to draw an obtuse triangle, okay? You have 22 seconds. Go. Good job. Sam, how did you know that was an obtuse triangle?
It's an obtuse triangle because it has an angle greater than 90 degrees.
Great job. Okay, everyone clear your desks. Next triangle we're going to draw is a acute triangle. This time you have 14 seconds. Go. Good job. Abby, how did you know that was an acute triangle?
I knew this was an acute triangle because all of the angles were less than 90 degrees.
Great job. All right, clear your desks. And the last triangle we talked about, a right triangle. This time see if you can draw it in under 5 seconds. Go. Good job. Allie, how did you know that was a right triangle?
I knew it is a right triangle because it has an angle that's 90 degrees.
Great job. Okay, now today we are going to work on classifying our triangles on something other than angles. We're going to classify them by their sides. So I have 3 new words listed on the board and some triangles that represent what they mean. So we have an isosceles. Can everyone say isosceles?
Isosceles.
Equilateral.
Equilateral.
And scalene.
Scalene.
Okay, now take 47 seconds and talk amongst yourself to see what an isosceles, equilateral, and scalene might mean based on the triangles that fit into the category. Go.
Okay.
The one with the triangles are.
All right, you guys had enough time to discuss?
Yeah.
Okay, Abby, what do you think an isosceles triangle is?
I think that an isosceles triangle is one that has 2 sides that are the same length.
Perfect. Okay. Can everyone say isosceles?
Isosceles.
Great job. Next group, the equilateral triangles. Sam, what do you think makes up an equilateral triangle?
I think an equilateral triangle has all sides the same length.
Perfect. Everyone say equilateral?
Equilateral.
Okay, and the last one is scalene. Allie, what do you think characterizes a scalene triangle?
Scalene triangles have no sides that are the same length.
Perfect. Can everyone say scalene?
Scalene.
Alright, now let's sing a review song to help us remember how we classify triangles by angles and by their sides.
I love songs.
Alright, everybody stand up. The
Triangles on a line say, name me please, name me please, name me please. The triangles on our line say, name me please, all through the day. And equilateral sides are all the same, all the same, all the same. And equilateral sides are all the same, 3 equal sides. The isosceles has 2 congruent sides, 2 congruent sides, 2 congruent sides. The isosceles has 2 congruent sides, always on my mind. The scalene